Oh boy. Here's the doggy. He wants to go outside. But look at that. Now there is a good amount of snow.
See if he makes it.
We have ourselves a blizzard, guys. Look at him trying to trudge through that.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh my gosh. He's trying to disappear into the snow. Yep, we have ourselves a blizzard here, guys. We got probably 9 inches of snow right now. Whoa. And it's just continuing to build up. Almost buried our house. Oh boy. Look at him go. Where you going, puppy? Here you are. I just figured I'd do you guys a little update and show you what's going on. Yep, that's what's going on. Hi, doggy. And some serious snow. Yep, maybe we will see you guys later in our live stream. But, yep, that's what's going on right now. Just a whole bunches of snow. I couldn't even get out to work today because, yeah, there'd be no one else coming in. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed day. May the Lord bless you and protect you. May he shine his face upon you and be gracious to you. May he look with favor on you and fill you with peace. And more doggies running around. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.